The most powerful field trips find their roots of success back in the classroom with the teacher. When you're beginning to think about planning a field trip for your students, I would encourage you to take some time to explore the websites of the different museums in your area. You should also feel empowered to reach out to the museum and share any questions you have or any ideas for a custom program, and work with that museum to create a program that best serves your students' needs. Take time to introduce this museum to your students. You can have them explore the space by looking on the website of the museum, exploring the museum through pictures to help generate excitement, but also help students build some context on what they might see and experience when they arrive. You can share any expectations you have with your students and also with the chaperones that are coming with you at that time. Once you arrive at the museum, be present with your students, but also give them the opportunity to explore and experience the program as individuals. The best way for teachers to solidify and continue that learning is when they return back to the classroom. You can debrief the field trip with your students, and then throughout the year, as you introduce new content, you can connect that content back to students' experiences at the museum to just deepen that learning throughout the year.